A phrase that we came up with over 25 years ago was, what is different about us? And as simple as it seems, it really is true. It's the count on us to make it happen. If we tell someone we're going to do something, we do it. And there is never a surprise.
We feel like that we get a lot of the complex projects because people know we can handle it.
When you come to Triad, you get the great customer service support, you get the great warehousing, shipping, offshore opportunities, for China, and also domestic manufacturing in our plant.
A lot of our customers have shrinking departments internally. They might know what they want, but they don't have the manpower to do as much internally as they used to, so they need us to do that for them. If we're developing a new project or just executing a mature project, we don't need subcontractors.
Everything we do here is in-house. For our factory here, solid surface, metal, wood, powder coating. We do all the samples here. We can manufacture them to all the tolerances. We do it all in SolidWorks, our files. We ship it to overseas. All our partners have to be in SolidWorks. And they have the samples, physical hardcore samples with all our specs and also the SolidWorks drawings. And they have to follow those, and we have QC teams over there every day. And if something, God forbid, comes in, it's wrong, or something's defective, we can fix it in our factory before it goes out to the customer. It's seamless.
It is the most important to us that we're providing the most superior service, the most superior product to them. So that starts from the beginning all the way to the end. And I think customers see that. They can see that we're 100% invested in everything that they're doing.
That is what allows us to be faster, more reliable, easier to work with, oftentimes less expensive to work with, because we are very vertically integrated.
Our ability to adapt to both larger rollouts and smaller rollouts and be able to have the customer not know the difference is a big thing that sets us apart. We do a lot of real-time, production, where last-minute production, where it's coming out of inventory, coming out of production, and we're going to ship it that day. So my department communicates back and forth with the production department, the customer service department, to make sure that we're not having any issues and everything's going to ship on time.
We really take into consideration our customers' expectations and requirements, and we try to meet them the best way that we can. And that's kind of unique as well. I don't feel like there's a lot of folks out there that will say, well, sure, we can do that. Well, Triad, we'll say that sure we can do that, and we do.
We realize in this industry that you cannot miss a ship date. If you miss a ship date, you're sunk. So if we give a ship date, we have to honor that ship date. It has to ship on time. Pull out all the stops. Even if we don't make money, if we promise the ship date, we got to make it happen.
We have a team of more than 30 people in customer service. Each customer gets anywhere from 1 to probably as many as 8 of those people, all very experienced and trained in our ERP system, the customers' systems that they need to communicate and to make sure that we know exactly what they expect of us, and we execute accordingly.
We process about 200 orders a day, and about 30% of those orders that we ship out every day we don't know about till that day. Customer service department's going to field that phone call from a general contractor or a customer and say, hey, we need this to ship out today. We have some kind of problem we need your help with. We'll have to potentially unpack something and unassemble a piece to be able to get it out that day because we don't have that piece that broke or whatever the issue is. Pack it back up and ship it back out the door and have it sitting at the store the next morning at 8 o'clock. We jump through hoops because it's being a good partner.
I'll get a call at 10 or 11 o'clock at night, and they say, hey, I need somebody in Georgia, tomorrow morning, at 8 o'clock. Can we actually make that happen? I'll put them on a plane or get them in a truck, and we actually get that done. A lot of customers don't do that. That's what makes us who we are, honestly, is that we actually cater to our customers.
There really is no limit to what problem we could solve or what design we can execute for these customers.
The ESOP, which stands for Employee Stock Option Program, that means that the company is part mine, part each one of our employees. And so we're personally invested in this company. It's when the company succeeds, I succeed. I think that shows to our clients that we're completely invested in the company and the success of the company. And ultimately, that means the success of their company.
I feel like Triad has this special sauce, this special thing that makes us Triad. We got great people. We got people that have been with us for years and years that have given the best earning years of their life to this company.
It's the family thing. You don't find the type of people like that out there. It's nutty, but that's honest truth.
You know, when you come to work every day, like I've been here 20 years and I've come to work every day and I feel like I'm home, you know. It's like we're a big family here and everyone looks out for one another and takes care of each other, and I think that speaks volumes.
It's a great group of people. It's fun people. We don't care too much about levels and titles and any of that. We're just all working together to make sure the customer can count on us to make it happen.
My hope is that, it goes for hundreds and hundreds of years. Something that started off as an idea in an alley behind New Era that could go on that long, that would be pretty cool.